Welcome back everyone. Welcome to another video class. I hope you all are fine and healthy as well. As we all know that a new chapter already has started. That means the combustion and the flame. And already we have discussed one topic related to it, that is called combustion. So let's first recapture everything what we have till now, and then we will start something new. Let's check it out. So in the beginning of this chapter, the first topic was combustion. In this combustion, we already have seen one experiment, or we can say the activity also along with it. What that was, we have taken a magnesium ribbon and heat over a Bunsen burner or a candle, you can say. And what you observe that after burning, it will gives us an ash in a white color, and then it will start giving heat and as well light. So here we can conclude that what is combustion actually. Okay, so this is a chemical process where the oxygen will combine with the substance chemically, and then evolution of the heat and the light we will produce. So today we are going to elaborate the terms related to the combustion. Yes, so one by one let's check it out. Okay. So the first term related to combustion is what? The combustible substances. Yes, that substance which burns in air and tends to produce heat and light is known as combustible substances. Just like diesel, petrol, kerosene, etc. The second term related to that combustion is what? Non-combustible substances. It's very easy, or we can say the substances which are that are not is a combustible kind of, or we can say in the presence of air will not burn on being exposed to the flame. For such example, we can say water, glass, cement, sand, etc. These all are considered as a non-combustible substances. Next term related to the combustion is supporter of combustion. Very clear from the topic itself that those kind of element or compound, or can say the substance which actually help to catch the fire, or we can say start the process of combustion. So we can take example that very first topic we already have done, that is called the oxidation of the magnesium ribbon. In that case, when we burn it over the Bunsen burner, what we have seen, what we have observed, that oxygen will help it to burn. So here the oxygen will be the substance which help in the combustion. These are the supporter as a combustion. Now if we cut off, just like it helps it to start the combustion process, but generally if suppose that if we cut off the supply of the oxygen from the atmosphere, or we can say from anywhere where you have to do that combustion, so what will happen? In the lack of oxygen, or we can say non-presence of oxygen, the combustion process will stop. Now the last and the most important term related to the combustion is what? Ignition temperature. This is going to be very important. Why? Because this is the point from where we can say that any kind of substance, any kind of element will start catching the fire. So we all know that different kinds of elements, substance have different kinds of chemical properties. So it's all depend upon this. So there is a certain point, certain temperature. At that temperature, the object will start catch fire. Just like so take an example. I think in the Diwali time, okay, we already do some fireworks and firecrackers, etc. We bring our houses. Okay, so in that one was that in Hindi we say fuljhadi. Okay, so when you take this into the fire, okay, into the candle, what will happen? This will not catch fire spontaneously. It will catch fire after certain period of time, or certain after moment. Okay, so what happened? Actually, due to the chemical composition of this substance, it will take some time to reach at that point from where it will start the catching the fire. So this is the temperature, okay, and it will different for different kinds of substances which have chemical properties. So all this ignition temperature depend upon the chemical properties or chemical composition. So In that way you can explain very easily that what is ignition temperature. So this is a certain point of temperature from where that element will start catching the fire. I hope it's clear to all of you. So one more point I want to add in that the ignition temperature is also known as kindling temperature. Okay, so as that we wind up today, and I hope that this video will help you to understand all the terms related to the combustion. If you have any kind of confusion, any kind of concern, you can ask in the live video or as your concerned teacher as well. Thank you all of you. Keep learning. Jai Hind.